Sige, go. May sequence to. Ganda ito.
Kasi mahama.
Maula. Sana mag-survive ako. Sige. Isa lang tulog. Wala kang partner?
Grande.
Tapang?
Grande.
Ito na to. Yung haba-haba. Walang makita. Naku.
Hindi din pala pwede mag-ano. Pwede mag-video kayo.
Pwede.
Pero mag-video ako.
Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo mag-video.
Oo, di ba? Yeah.
Kembot ko naman.
Mga bibili na lang ako ng phone pag nasira ka.
Yan naman.
Maris lang. Buhay naman ang SIM, ang cards.
Yung legs nyo ha.
Bawal igalawang legs.
Bawal lang yung harness. Anyway, pagkamasagit, display nyo ang slow down. Pang-sensuin, traditional wind drag. Then when you're approaching the landing area, when you're about to land, you will take a cruise, start, first land, with your arms to the side, then head down. While on flight, don't move your legs. Don't bend your knees, keep your legs straight. While on flight, look ahead and smile. Sikit lang yung paa mo, then down. Keep your legs straight. Relax, and move your
Ayun na sila. Nilamon na sila ng ulat. Yun lang. Kaya lang, oo. I-risk mo lang yung pagkasira ng camera. Yehey!
Taw ka na. Nakaikot yung camera. Kasi yung backpack. Okay, bawal ka yung legs. Bawal ang kanyang harness. Pag napasagit, spread your arms to slow you down. Pang, magaling slow you. Then yung approaching the landing, pagkagulang yung paano.
Ayan.
Pag-landing, ha? Pag-landing.
Pag-landing. Nilamon na sila ng ulo. Naihabilin mo na ba ang mga pamangkin mo, Ma'am Arns? Yung mga portfolio mo, Ma'am Arns, naihabilin mo na ba?
Ito, ma'am. Save ka dito, ma'am. Huwag kang matapos. Bilaw ka naman.
Sandali lang, kuya. Saan ako
Ma'am,
hahawak?
head down mo na, ma'am. Head down. Ayusin natin yung buhok mo, ma'am, ha?
Okay lang po. Kuya, pakisecure ah. May
Yes,
kanina ako.
magaling ako dito.
Saan yung helmet ko? Dali, tama lang ba yung tao?
Hey. Down your legs lang. Down. Relax lang.
Bakit may ganyan si Mark?
Spread agad. Ma'am, ganito wings. Sir, you have to block the wings. Slow you down. At pag malapit na sa landing, ma'am, makaramdam ka ng ganito. First, impact, slip, then head down. Don't forget to smile, ha? Relax ka, ha? Pag-relax ka. Makaramdam ka ng ganyan. Slip, then head down. Don't move your legs. tayo mag-spread.
Yes, ako na.
Just relax and enjoy, and don't forget to smile.
Teka lang, parang maluwag yung helmet ko, kuya. Pakinig.
Pizza natin, okay? Yes, ma'am. Ito. Sige na, mama.
Okay lang. Ayan ang... Ayan na ang dadaanan natin.
You need to hold your car tightly, okay?
Okay. No problem. Sorry.
Move your legs.
Yeah, sure.
When you land, first impact, clip your arms to the side,
And then...
run your roll.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming and come again.
Thank you.
Feeling ko bibigyan lang ako pag nakita. Kaya lang, mahamog. Ayan ang mga graduates. Mahamog. Ayan.
But that was when I ruled the world.